Chip has been waiting for his time to be in the water. Every time I pressure wash it, he always wants to be in the water. I come to video, I was trying to hide because he was playing in the puddles. Obviously it's not thunder and lightning, or else they wouldn't be out there. They'd be locked in. Chip wants to make sure every bed is wet. You okay? Have that? Don't jump on me. Are you okay? You're a handsome boy, aren't you? You're my handsome boy. You had a belly rub before, didn't you? Yes, you did. Are you coming in, little lady? Are you coming in, beautiful? Come and see me. All these men. So I don't really want the door open because it's letting all the mosquitoes and flies in, which I've been keeping out. However, it's frigging warm. I've got no fans, and I'm not dragging that generator out there to plug it in. Are you coming in? I think we're going to have to close this door, aren't we? And birds are not happier than blue jays. Every time we have a bit of rain now, it seems the power goes out. Not very good, is it? What are we paying for? Poppers. Hey! Poppers, that's not yours. Poppers. There's a gazillion freaking toys in that bucket out there. That bed thing, what crate, whatever the hell it is. Okay, beautiful. You beautiful girl. Have you got yourself a boyfriend? Alright, well I'm going back to the house. I have to close this door or not. Get out. I was over here 5 minutes. I was just emptying the washing machine. I put the TV on because I thought I'm going to be working in here. So I'll have the TV on. And then after went the power. Isn't it? Tired, I know that. I'm ready for bed. I am. What have you got there? Chip. Is he destroying that tennis ball? Right. Oh. So my evening plans messed up a little bit. Hopefully it won't be off till tomorrow like it was last time. Freeze dry just needed a couple more hours as well. Bummer. Bummer. No, you get down but don't jump. So we've got the, who are you? I can't remember your name. Can't remember. And you are Pegleg. What are you called? Kai. Zaina's outside. Kella's outside. Bellatrix and Myrtle are inside. These three are all in the other kennel. And our pitty boys are here. There we go. Right, that's it. Let's hope this rain stops and the crews can get the power back on so I'm not having a wasted evening.